Hey, it's Todd Polke here. I've been a professional investor and wealth strategist for close to 2 decades now. And over this time, I've worked with thousands of investors to be able to grow strategic investment portfolios using property, using shares, using cryptos, using metals, using business investments, and a whole lot more. You see, most investors who ever get started in the investment world wind up getting stuck and never achieving this seemingly what's called elusive dream called financial freedom. They make a lot of mistakes. They don't have a strategy in what they're doing. They don't have the right team around them. They don't know how to get access to the right deals. And they wind up just going back to the exchange time for money, financial slavery trap. And I want something more for you in your life. I want you to have more choices. I want you to have more freedom. I want you to have more opportunity for you to be able to live the life that you want to lead, unlimited by how much money you earn. But in order for you to be able to create that, you've got to get a brand new set of rules in how you play the money game of life. And I'm going to be giving you those rules. I'm going to be giving you 20 years of systems and strategies and experience that I've created and accumulated over these last 2 decades, not only from achieving results in my own portfolio, but working with thousands of investors. I'm going to be laying it all out on the table to you.
Now, if you like what you hear and you know someone else that's really going to benefit from this, then make sure you share it out.